Sometimes you walk up the stairs effortlessly like it's nothing. You lift a bag, get up from a chair. It all seems so easy. Now, the smallest tasks make you stop and take a deep breath. Your limbs are no longer as agile, and each movement feels like it carries the weight of time. But what if I told you that with just one simple daily habit, you could regain the strength that seemed to have faded away with your 40s? Would you believe it? No need for a gym, no complicated exercises, just one small thing scientifically proven to activate muscle strength again, helping you stay steady, proactive, and energized every day. Many seniors are losing muscle mass without even realizing it, until standing up becomes difficult and maintaining balance is no longer as easy as before. In this video, I will share with you a very simple method, one that could change the way you walk, stand strong, and live healthier every day. Keep watching, because this could be the first step to regaining yourself. There's something quietly happening in the bodies of most of us after 50, but very few people notice it. It's not heart disease. This phenomenon is called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. According to medical studies, on average, an adult begins to lose 3–8% of their muscle mass every decade after the age of 30. Until you reach 70, you may have lost up to 30% of your muscle mass, even if you maintain your usual activity levels. You may not see it clearly, but your body is sending signals. You get up from your chair more slowly. Climbing stairs becomes heavier. You feel fatigued even without doing much. Even a slight slip can cause you to lose balance and be unable to react in time. No one wants to admit they're getting weaker, but weakness isn't an inevitable part of aging. It's the result of unnoticed muscle loss that hasn't been addressed properly. The good news is, you can completely reverse this process. No medication, no complicated equipment. All you need is to understand the issue and start today, and I will show you how. Have you ever thought that simply walking every day is enough to maintain your health? Many people believe this, and you might be one of them. But the truth is, walking, while great for cardiovascular health, mental well-being, and circulation, is not enough to maintain or restore muscle strength, especially after the age of 60. Let's meet Linda, 65 years old, a woman living in Colorado. Every morning, she walks around her neighborhood for about 30 minutes, feeling like she's doing something good for her health. But then she started noticing something strange. Carrying her shopping bag felt heavier than before. Climbing stairs left her breathless. And one day she almost fell after slipping in the bathroom. Her legs were no longer fast and strong enough to keep her balanced like they used to. Her doctor said something that made her think deeply. Linda, you're active, but you're no longer strong. We can be active every day and still get weaker day by day if those movements aren't helping the muscles fight gravity, not providing enough challenge to stimulate growth. Walking helps maintain your daily rhythm, but it's not enough to rebuild what age has taken away. Ask yourself, are you truly strong, or just maintaining a routine of activity without realizing it's not enough? Once you see this clearly, you'll be ready for the next step, one that's more effective and more deserving. The good news is, you can completely restore your muscle strength without needing a gym, equipment, or heavy weights. All you need is your body's weight and a bit of consistency every day. The solution here is body weight resistance training at home. This is a gentle yet effective form of exercise, where you use your body weight to create resistance, stimulating your muscles to work and grow back stronger. For example, sitting down and standing up from a sturdy chair squats, gentle push-ups against a wall, stepping up and down a low step, such as a doorstep or a stair. No equipment needed, no complex skills required, and only 10–15 minutes each day. You can start like Clara, 68 years old, who once felt insecure because she couldn't open a bottle cap or carry a shopping bag. After 4 weeks of sticking with simple bodyweight resistance exercises at home, Clara noticed her arms were stronger, her back pain reduced, and most importantly, she felt in control of her body again. Studies have shown people over 60, if they consistently do resistance training, can increase muscle strength by up to 40% in just 8 weeks. This isn't just motivation, it's actual scientific data. You don't have to become an athlete, just become someone who refuses to lose their strength? Let me tell you the story of Robert, 70 years old, a kind grandfather living in Seattle. After retiring, he spent a lot of time tending to his garden, walking around the neighborhood, and playing with his grandchildren. He thought he was fine until one day, while carrying a grocery bag back home, his hands started trembling, his legs wobbled, and he had to stop in the middle of the street, gasping for breath. That evening, when his young grandson looked up and asked, "Grandpa, can you still do push-ups?" Robert laughed, but inside, something tightened in his chest. He quietly tried doing push-ups against the wall and could only manage one. Rather than accepting weakness with age, he decided to make a change. Every morning, just 10 minutes, 10 wall push-ups, 8 chair squats, and 1 minute of stair stepping. At first, everything was tough. His legs ached, his hands shook, but he persisted. After just 3 weeks, Robert could carry groceries upstairs without stopping halfway. After 6 weeks, his back pain reduced, his posture straightened, and his eyes were filled with confidence. Robert's story isn't an exception. It's proof that anyone at any age can improve their fitness if they know how to start right. You don't need to do a lot. Just start small, stay consistent, and you'll see your body begin to remember the strength it once had. It doesn't have to be difficult to start. In fact, with just 3 simple movements right at home, you can kickstart your journey to regain muscle strength without equipment, no machines, and especially no need to leave the house. Chair squats strengthen legs and hips. Sit down, stand up from a sturdy chair. Keep your back straight, arms extended in front to maintain balance. 3 sets, 5-10 repetitions per set, depending on your ability. Wall push-ups. Train arms, chest, and upper body. Stand an arm's length from the wall. Place your hands on the wall at chest level. Lower your body slowly, then push up. 2 sets, 10-15 repetitions per set. Step-ups. Improve balance and leg strength. Use a step, a low stair, or a sturdy chair, and step up and step down gently. You can hold on to the wall for support if needed. 1-2 minutes each day. Note, start slowly, listen to your body, and don't push yourself too hard. Every morning, just 10-15 minutes, like a small ritual for your body, just like brushing your teeth. There's no perfect time to start. The perfect time is today, when you decide not to let your strength slip away any longer. Just start. The rest, your body will know what to do. Exercise is an important first step, but for muscles to truly recover and grow, your nutrition also needs to be trained properly. Every time you move, whether it's a chair squat, wall push-up, or step up, your muscles will create tiny micro tears. This is the signal for your body to begin repairing and regenerating, becoming stronger. And for that process to happen, high-quality protein is the building material for rebuilding muscles. You don't need supplements or complicated purchases. Focus on familiar, easy-to-prepare foods: boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, lentils, salmon, chicken breast, a glass of milk after exercise. Aim to include 20-30 of protein in each meal, especially after exercise, to optimize recovery. And don't forget, drink enough water, eat more greens, fresh fruits, and get enough sleep. These simple things are the foundation for a long-lasting, healthy body. A healthy lifestyle habit doesn't just start with what you exercise, it also starts with how you nourish yourself every day. Treat your body well, and your body will thank you in the strongest way possible, by coming back to life with vitality. Now, you have everything you need to get started. No more waiting. No need to wait for the right time or to have everything in place. Just pick one movement and start tomorrow morning. You don't need to train like an athlete. You just need to move like someone who refuses to let their strength slip away. Every squat, every wall push-up, every step up is a message to your body. I'm still here. I still want to be strong. Leave a comment. I'm starting today to mark your first step. Not only is it a promise to yourself, but it's also motivation for others who are unsure out there. You could be the reason someone else gets up and starts again. We are not alone. We are a community, living healthy, living proactively, living strongly together. And don't forget, in the next video, I will share with you a seemingly healthy food that is silently weakening your muscles every day. You won't want to miss it.